Hey, this is number 2 from section 6.6. We want to find an equation of the parabola, and we're going to use vertex form or factored form, whichever is more appropriate. If we were given the x-intercepts and they were pretty clear, we could use factored form. In this case, we're not. This parabola has no x-intercepts, and so instead we're going to use the vertex, and so we'll use vertex form, and it is y equals a times x minus x sub v squared plus y sub v, where x sub v, y sub v is the vertex. Okay, so if we go to the graph, we see the vertex is at 3, 4, and so we're going to plug 3 for x sub v and 4 for y sub v. And so that's y equals a times x minus 3 squared plus 4. Okay, the only other thing we need to do is determine a, the leading coefficient. So let's find another clear point on the graph. It'd be nice if we could see the y-intercept, but it's up a little bit too high. So instead, let's find one that looks like it has integer coordinates. And so maybe this point at 1, 8. So when x is 1, y is 8. So let's substitute those in the correct places. So 8 equals a times 1 minus 3 squared plus 4, and we solve this equation for a. So 8 is equal to a times 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So 4a plus 4, and subtract 4 from each side. Okay, and so we get 4 is equal to 4a, and then divide both sides by 4. So a is just 1. Okay, lastly, our equation is actually going to look very similar to this one. Instead of a, we're going to put what a is equal to, which is just a 1.